Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Computing series. In this video, we'll be learning the next important question of Module 2. That is, describe the virtual machine based intrusion detection system used in a cloud environment. This diagram shows how the virtual machine based intrusion detection system works in a cloud environments by monitoring the virtual machines from outside. Each virtual machine runs a guest operating system and applications and is managed by a virtual machine monitor. And the IDS sits outside the virtual machine and includes components like a policy engine, policy module, policy framework, and operating system interface library. It uses the virtual machine monitor to observe the internal activity of the virtual machine without being inside it. Yes, this setup ensures better security as the IDS cannot be easily tampered with by attackers inside the virtual machine. Next is, an IDS is like a security guard for our computer network. It constantly watches for unauthorized access or a malicious behavior and alerts the admin in a real time. Then types of IDS. So first one is a host based IDS. See, this one is installed directly on a device or a virtual machine. It watches over a files, logs, and a running processes. But if the machine itself get hacked, the IDS might get affected too. Then network based IDS. This type sits on the network. It scans network traffic to catch any suspicious activity or attacks. But it may miss attacks inside a machine that don't show up in a traffic. Now let's see virtual machine based IDS in a cloud environment. See, in a modern cloud environments, traditional security systems like IDS often fall short. That's why virtual machine based IDS is now being used, especially in a virtualized setups like a cloud data centers. See, unlike a regular IDS, this one does not run inside the virtual machine. It's placed outside the guest virtual machine, usually in a special monitoring virtual machine or at the hypervisor level. Then it uses a smart technique called a virtual machine introspection. That is VMI. With a VMI, it can look inside a virtual machine, check its files, memory, and behavior without ever being detected. That means it can watch everything securely with zero interference. Let's see how a virtual machine based IDS is structured inside a virtualized cloud system. So first, there is a guest virtual machine or a monitored host. This is a virtual machine running regular apps and operating system. It's being monitored silently without even knowing it. Yes. Then virtual machine monitor or a hypervisor. This layer provides tools like ptrace that allow monitoring. It also isolates the IDS and gives access to what's happening inside the guest virtual machine. Then IDS components is within a privileged virtual machine. See, the policy engine decides what kind of behavior counts as an attack. Then policy module does the actual detection work. Yes, this policy framework links and operating system interface library talks to the guest virtual machine to collect data like a logs or a memory information. So this architecture helps monitor virtual machines securely and efficiently without disrupting their operations. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights on cloud computing, and also check out our playlist for more in-depth topics. See you in the next video.